So now I'm discussing about the how to create ads on Google AdSense website. That is called Google AdSense portal. The URL will be called, please write down, google.com/AdSense. So my website will approve by the Google AdSense. After that, they showing by yesterday amount, today, last 7 days, this month, $3 total balance. But Google AdSense amount transfer for the when getting the $100 is transfer amount by your through banks. Now here I'm discussing about topic called how to create ads on the Google AdSense. So the option called is go to the my ads, go to the my ads, click for auto ads. So yeah, click for ad unit. So you have to wait for a second here. What is that? New ad unit. Please write down ads type. Text with the display ads. Text with the display ads. First category. Text with the display ads. In feed ads. In feed ads. In article ads. So your total will be 3 types. For that, text and display. In the first category, there are 3 type of ads are there. Text ads, display ads, and image ads. Text with image, text ads, and image ads. 3 ads will be there. The ads will created by the Google AdWords. They display by the Google AdSense. In feed article. In the article, like this. In feed articles along with the image. Now what is that? In article ads will be like this. They're showing by the website here. If you click, they're going to a website. So say total created by the 3 type ads. Now here, if any create ad, the approval time will be 7 working days. Approval time will be 7 working days. Now here I can show one option is that, what is that? Text and display ads. Now click for select any one. Now your ad name, new ad, date by the, again date, follow the date here, 28/3/2018. Here, what is that? Responsive size, please write down the ad sizes. Response size, nothing but based on the space, automatic ad will be displayed. Based on the ad space, the automatic ad will be displayed. Maybe 728/90, 200/300, we all did. Now, second one is 728/90. And third one, 336/280. And 320/100. 300/600. These ads will all created by where? The Google AdWords, display ads. Now, last one, 300/250. If you need to check the preview, simple one, what is the option called is? Preview. Will be like this. Response. Based on the auto fit. Any size. Suppose you are small, the ad will be small. So we give the big space, they give the big ad. Now what is that? Preview. 728/90. Is it clear? Now. What is that? Text with the display, and text ad. I'm clicking for display ad only. Now check the preview. Image and text both. So I'm created by the display ad. The option call is automatic ad. Now what the option call is? Save and get code. So remember, Once your code will be generated, this code we can place by the blogger or website. It's mandatory field. Once you are design the code along with the display ad, just copy the code. So just write down the points. Go to blogger dashboard. Select your website. Click your layout. So what the option call is add a gadget. What the option call is HTML by JavaScript. New ads. Offers 2018. Place the code. Click for save. After that, drag your anywhere. Offers 2018. Now click for save arrangement. Now done. Just go to Google AdSense. Click for post. So remember, when you're creating ad, definitely you place by the any website. The code will be is a mandatory field. If not, place this code any website is not active your Google AdSense ads. Now here, what is that? Active, active, active. What is that? New. The ad will be still not active. What the time is 7 working days. Yeah. What is that? March 28, 2018. Is that clear? This is for create your ads. In feed, article and text with the image ads. Text ads, image ads and text with the image ads. This is way to create your ads. First select your ad name, size, response and different ad sizes 720 by 90, 300 by 600 and it's set by the customized design also. Custom size. I need by 720 by 100 or 300 by 800. You can decide by your size also by customize. Just click, select. It's here, recommended for horizontal banner, vertical banner, rectangular, expensive for what is that? Custom size, width and height. This is created by ads using with the Google AdSense. The approval time will be 24 hours to 7 working days. Google Ads approved by the 7 working days. Is it clear? This is called how to create ads on using with the Google AdSense. The ads will be placed by where? Your website.